So question one, and this one is all about a concept called the conservation of mass. Essentially what that means is that whatever mass of reactants that we start with, that's the total mass, it will be exactly the same as the total mass of the product. So we can't just make mass disappear, and equally we can't make mass come out of thin air. So if we read through this question, it tells us that a student is reacting 4.0 grams of hydrogen gas with exactly 32.0 grams of oxygen, and we need to calculate the mass of water formed. So what I would do here is I would write 4.0 grams underneath the hydrogen in my balanced equation, and I would write 32.0 grams underneath the oxygen. I'm trying to figure out how much water there is. And as we said, the mass of the reactant, the total mass, has to be equal. So I'm going to write that down. The total mass of the reactants must equal the total mass of the products. So what that means is we just need to do the total mass of the reactants, which is 4.0 plus 32.0, which gives us an answer of 36.0 grams. Okay, because there is only one product, that is our water, so therefore the mass of the product formed is 36.0 grams. That will get you 1 mark if you get that right, so well done if you did. We now move on to a very similar question, which is 1b, where a student is reacting 26.0 grams of zinc, so I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to write 26.0 underneath the zinc with exactly 63.8 grams of copper sulfate, and that is the other reactant. So I'm going to write 63.8 just underneath there. We're told we're forming zinc sulfate and copper, and that 25.4 grams of copper is formed. So I'm going to write 25.4 under there, and that's formed in this reaction. We need to calculate this value here. So using the principle that we said before, the total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. That therefore means that 26.0 plus 63.8 is equal to whatever our mass of zinc sulfate is plus 25.4. So mathematically, all I need to do here is take away 25.4 from this side of the equation and get it to go over here onto the left-hand side. So what we have is 26.0 plus 63.8. We're taking away that 25.4, and that will give us whatever our answer is. Now, if you do this calculation, you get an answer of 64.4 grams. And that will get you 1 mark if you got it right. Thank you very much.